Understanding the phrase, I'm in a fog, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, I'm in a fog. This expression is a bit unusual, but it's quite expressive and useful in certain contexts. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, I'm in a fog, is a metaphorical way of saying that someone is feeling confused, disoriented, or unclear about something. It's like saying your mind is as clouded or obscured as it would be in a literal fog. This phrase is often used when someone is having difficulty understanding a concept, making a decision, or remembering something. Now let's look at how to use I'm in a fog in sentences. It's typically used to express a temporary state of confusion or lack of clarity. For example, I haven't had my coffee yet, and I'm in a fog this morning. After reading those complex instructions, I'm in a fog. You can also use this phrase when you're feeling overwhelmed or bombarded with too much information. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like, in a daze, at sea, or out of it, are also used to describe a state of confusion or lack of clarity. These phrases can be used interchangeably in many contexts. And that's it for our exploration of the phrase, I'm in a fog. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and that you now feel more confident using this expression in your English conversations. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice and patience. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to ask if you're ever in a fog about English. See you in our next video.